Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to Want to Step YouTube channel, and we are back with another tutorial video which is related with Cash App. In today's Cash App related video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name on Cash App. So it's pretty simple to change your name on Cash App. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And let's dive right into the video. So you can click on this profile picture over here. So I haven't uploaded any profile picture, so it's showing me this. But if you guys have uploaded a profile picture, it's going to show you your profile picture. So you want to click on it. After you click on it, you can see the name over here. This is my current name. So if I want to change my current name, basically what I can do is I can click on this name over here. After clicking on this name, it's going to give me this option. From all these options, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on edit name. And once I click on edit name, this is my current name. So let's say I want to change it to Marky 8. So I changed my name and I can click on submit. So it's going to change my name over here just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your name. And let's say I want to change back to my old name. I can click on it and I can click on edit name again, and I can remove this 8 and click on submit, and I have changed my name again to my old name. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your name on Cash App, and that's pretty simple. So yeah, hope you guys are able to understand this video. If you did and you were able to change your name, then please be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow and it promotes our video to more people and it can solve more people's problem. And you can also share this video with your friend to help them solve their problem as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.